Hi, I'm Jeff Bellomo with Bellomo and Associates, and I would like to personally invite you to the upcoming workshop in Lancaster, Pennsylvania on Embassy Drive with Bellomo and Associates. Have you ever wondered, is there a way to protect your life savings from future long-term care costs? Is there a way to ensure that your kids, and only your kids, can benefit from your legacy and your money that you spent your lives working for and accumulating? Should I be putting all of my assets in my kids' names? What's the strategies that we should be using? Well, we're going to cover all of these and many more in our upcoming 2-hour workshop. Now, seats are limited, so please click on the button below to be able to reserve your seat today. It's a free 2-hour workshop, and in return, we're going to give you a free consultation with a team member to look at your specifics and help you put a plan together for your future. We look forward to seeing you. We look forward to working with you. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.